Install of our tubs for our XL C1 conversion. Our floor is mounted to our frame. We have our center line right now from our cooler pocket. This pocket is made for a refreshment cooler, or you'll have enough room for 1 or 2 sets of gloves. So our center line's 9.5 inches off of this 19. And in turn, we're coming off from the center line over to our tub, 20.5. 20.5. So our tubs are centered now at 20.5. So our primary goal here is to bond our tubs to the floor first. And then we're gonna, this is our extension. So you gotta make sure you put the extension on top of the tub before you get ready to glue the whole floor. And everything we glue together with is with an epoxy. And so this extension is designed so once the floor and tub's in there, you're gonna slide this over, pre-mark it so you know where it's gonna go, and then you're gonna bond this to the quarter and to the tub. We designed this in such a way that right now this tub, when put together, it's roughly 12 inches wide. So you get a 12-inch tire and your convertible top's still gonna fit in here. If that's not big enough and you wanna go bigger and sacrifice your top, you can cut these tabs off this gas tank filler and you can move these tubs in another roughly 4 inches. So now you can put even bigger meat, if bigger is better in your world. So an adjustable tub, depending on what you want to do. This way it'll work with the convertible top, put it out and bond it, or if you want to leave your top at home and run topless or a hard top and bigger tires, you move the tubs in, slide the extensions out and make it happen. Floors drop down inside the frame, perimeter frame design that we designed. And so now somebody that's big, like the two of us, can fit in the car. When you're dry fitting all this, naturally you're going to move the body up and down. We happen to invest in a hula hoop rotisserie. Okay, any kind of rotisserie that's outer perimeter, that's hovering the body outside, you can do what we're doing here. If you don't have one of these, you'll come up with an idea, I'm sure. But when you're dry fitting this, you know your measurements here to make your tub sit, and then you bring the body down and you get the outer flange to hit the quarter panel. You come back in here and mark this, and so you leave this sit in here, you glue your tub on, then you let your body down, and then you start the process of gluing the floor. You glue the flange in for the tub extension, then we start gluing all the pieces in for the convertible top and back here. It's all about a monocoque design where everything's overlaying everything and everything's making it stronger than what it originally was.